Hey everyone! If you're looking to make cleaning easier with a robot vacuum, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 3 robot vacuum models, each delivering seriously impressive performance to fit your needs. We're going through them together, from the most budget-friendly to the most premium option. Let's get into it. First up, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This 2-in-1 model vacuums and mops thanks to its advanced washing technology. With 5,200 pascals of suction power and multiple customizable cleaning modes, it adapts to whatever you throw at it. On top of that, it works effortlessly from your smartphone or through voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. A real game changer for keeping your floors spotless. Next, let's talk about a solid mid-range option, the robot vacuum and mop for pet hair. With 2,300 pascals of suction and an anti-tangle design, it's a perfect fit for pet households. Its 4 cleaning modes and Wi-Fi connectivity make scheduling cleanings a breeze. With a 100-minute battery life, it covers up to 1,290 square feet on a single charge. A great pick for anyone looking to seriously cut down on cleaning time. Finally, for those who want a top-tier option, meet the iRobot Roomba 105X Combo. With its auto-empty dock, it can capture dirt and dust for up to 75 days without you lifting a finger. Its 70x suction power and LiDAR mapping technology ensure a thorough, effortless clean every time. It even detects carpets automatically to avoid getting them wet. The ultimate choice for families with kids and pets. And that's our robot vacuum roundup. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one for more tech comparisons.